마치 사리슨 라이프 마치
give up. We welcome you all, the dignitaries. The days is all set, and we have chosen the
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we all are thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our cultural increase. And
happiness and optimism of enlightenment and creativity. I welcome you. It's your privilege, Madam President, to welcome the gathering. It's over to
uh, District Chairman Madam Jyoti Patil, Secretary Madam Gayatri, Vice President Alpana Parulekar, IBP Rani Burye, ISO Shital, Editor Sangeeta, Treasurer Vanita, my other Innerwealth friends, and all the dignitaries present here. A very good evening to you all. First, because as it is our tradition, Innerwealth always goes as per the tradition, and we are having with us today our Madam Jyoti Patil. She is here on our official visit. So once again, welcome you all for this short and sweet program of ours. Now, Innerwealth, as we all know, I am not going into the depth, the programs, projects, activities, whatever we have conducted, because we are running short time. We are already late, and in a short while, will be presenting a PPT, so you will get the entire picture what exactly we have done since 1st of July, as it is our year starts on that particular day till today. What we have done will be highlighted in the PPT. So, but before that, let me thank each of the members, Innerwealth members, for believing in me and having faith in me to shoulder this responsibility of presidentship of this vibrant and new club of ours. Thank you, friends. And today, I can proudly say that I have proved my ability with the guidance and support of Madam Jyoti and the positive thoughts. Every day, she nurses with her positive thoughts, and these positive thoughts makes us energetic, and we go on thinking, and new ideas, innovative ideas are always every time coming to our mind, and we are trying to execute those innovative ideas. I must thank all my friends, especially to my friend Vanessa Marquez. I hope she's, I think, in all those activities, big projects like honoring of a girl child. We have done recently the project on the child Chandani Chari. We have adopted her for 2 years, and we have given her a check of 36,000. And this check is sponsored by my friend Vanessa, who is a new member inducted this year only.
thank you very much, President Ma'am. Always it is said, there is always the backbone for the group, maybe the ladies or support for this group, and we are really missing him a lot. In his memory, I request all the members and all the dignitaries in 1 minute. Our first COVID warrior is a doctor. Salutes to the dedication and application to duty, sacrificing the family life for months together. Please put your hands together for Dr. Swapnil Arsekar.
이거 샤르갈래 뭐. खरंच अगं काय झालं ना पावले वयर हा चण्या फंक्शनाक पावले बरं बरं हय
Or these are the real heroes who worked during the COVID time, and we are giving the recognition for such people. Please do the honors.
Flag project at People District project. World Food Day. We donated groceries to Karunalaya at Pirina. This is Anti-Poverty Day. We distributed food packets. This is distribution of umbrella. This is again a cleanliness drive. We collected lot of plastics. Then donated check of rupees 10,000 to Jivan Anand Sanstha. Groceries given to Providoria. This is one of our unique project, distribution of agricultural equipments. Then another one, adopting
The efforts of Inner Bishop of Mercedes. And here is the inauguration of and they have actively participated in all the events and all the competitions. As a request to is Alpana Purvekar. So many fun-filled and all the activities. This is the result of those activities. For the first meeting on Zoom, and she was the first one to log in, Mrs. Alpana Purvekar, that they should know about the inner wheel in detail. And the prize winners are Mrs. Alpana Purvekar again, Sheetal Naik, Mrs. Vanita Farari, and yours truly, Dr.
Vice President Priya, her team, and all club members and dignitaries present here, a year of action-packed, best, caring, beautiful, enjoyable, fruitful, gratifying, a healthy new year 2021. Is different. The wheel is running but bringing great challenge. And this situation could happen in anyone's tenure. But Priya, we are fortunate that God had chosen us to face the challenge. So when nothing is certain, everything is possible. Your plans for tomorrow may not unfold as you expect, but it's important to make plans and move on. Your club is just 2 years old, and I'm delighted to visit your club for the second time. I visited your club during the formation meeting as district ESO. So I'm happy to see my child in doing progress. Immediate past president and charter president Rani Puri also has given excellent year. Congratulations. Member of such a big Innerville organization. The logo of theme Lead the Change. You can just have a look. There is a beautiful lady, and you can see the globe, world map. And there is a lady who is trying to show with her left hand that Innerville is encompassed in the whole world. So friends, where Innerville is occupying the prominent place in the world. And you will feel more proud to know that Innerville has representation in the United Nations. Our service reports goes to UN. 109 NGOs are associated with UNO. And it's the IW Vice President who is always in constant touch with the UN representatives in 3 major offices of the UN. The first being in largest in New York, the second is in Geneva, the third is in Vienna. So we have 2 Innerville representatives in each of the offices on different committees such as human rights, the family, drug abuse, aging, girl trafficking, rights of the children and senior citizens. You will feel more proud to listen this that 34% of the clubs of international Innerville are being in India. So our work is very, very important and forms a major part of the reports. So we in Innerville from India are actually doing and contributing to fulfilling the goals of United Nations.
Dr. Jyoti ma'am. To Gayatri Saukar. Thank you very much, ma'am, for appreciating the work done for all the members. Thank you very much. Special thanks to
I thank all the members for working together to make this event success. Thank you one and all.